In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to NotebookLM. We'll walk through the web app and make sure your file is properly added so you can reference it and work with its contents. First, sign in to NotebookLM using your Google account. If you're already logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Make sure you're using a modern browser and have a stable internet connection, since uploads and analysis happen online. Next, open an existing notebook that you want to work in, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Keeping related PDFs together in the same notebook can make it easier to organize your research later, so pick the notebook that best matches your project. Inside the notebook, look to the left for the Sources pane. That's where all your materials will live. Find the Add Sources option, or the plus icon if you see it represented that way. Clicking this brings up the list of source types you can add to your notebook. From that list, choose PDF. This tells NotebookLM that you're about to upload a file from your computer. A file picker will open, allowing you to browse to the PDF you want. Navigate to the folder where your document is stored, select the correct file, and confirm. If you have multiple versions, choose the final or clean copy to avoid confusion later. NotebookLM will begin uploading and analyzing the PDF. The time this takes depends on your file size and internet speed. While it processes, don't close the tab or put your device to sleep. If your PDF is very large, give it a bit more time. If you run into issues, double-check that the file isn't corrupted or password protected, and that your connection is steady. When the upload finishes, you'll see the PDF appear in your sources list on the left. Click it to open and view its contents inside NotebookLM. At this point, the system has indexed your document so it can surface sections accurately and help you navigate the material. You can read through the text, scan headings, and confirm that the content looks right. That's all you need to add a PDF to NotebookLM. Sign in, open, or create your notebook. Use Add Sources, choose PDF, select your file, let it upload and analyze, and then access it from the Sources pane. For best results, keep your files clearly named, and avoid uploading sensitive or confidential documents you don't intend to store online. With your PDF added, you're ready to explore